What are you opening?
The advent calendar. And I have the doll in the bottle. Now I'm going to open number 3. It's a cute little outfit.
Okay, let's see her.
There.
Oh, she's cute. Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas Day 3.
Nope.
Say hey.
And hey, hey. See, hey. She's not saying hey.
She's not saying hey.
No, she's not.
Okay, so we are, my husband and older daughter just left. She went to school. And me and Vera are just sitting in bed. She's watching a little episode of Vampirina this morning. And I'm finishing my coffee. And then we're going to get up. And I'm going to hop in the shower. Because yesterday's craziness, I never had time to take a shower. I know. So I'm really ready to take one. I just got yesterday's vlog up. I have been really good about getting them up. Let me prop up my phone on my knee. So I've been pretty good at getting them up early in the morning. So I hope you're enjoying them. So on the agenda today, I don't really know what we're going to do. But one thing I am is Elizabeth on here. She did a Christmas tag and she tagged me in that. So during Vera's nap time, I'll answer those questions as part of today's vlog. Because it would just be easier to do it when she's asleep. So, I just wanted to say good morning, check in with y'all. Let me know whose Vlogmas is if you are watching them, whose you're watching and who you're enjoying. Because, I don't know, to me, it's just so fun to watch Vlogmas. I get to watch everybody's lead up to the holidays. And whether you celebrate Christmas or not, because even though I have Christmas in my title, I hope that everybody feels included to watch, that you don't have to just be a Christian and celebrating Christmas. Just the general holidays and just this time of year is fun. I mean, obviously to me, because I do celebrate it, but I feel like we can all, you know, enjoy this time of year. So, I hope you're enjoying, and let me know who else you're watching. So, I will check in with you in a bit. Okay, me and Vera are just getting around to breakfast, and I am going to have a bagel with cream cheese, which I love. And Vera is having a half a bagel with cream cheese as well. She doesn't, she said she did not want the everything bagel seasoning. And that's from Trader Joe's. If you do not have it or never tried it, you are seriously missing out. It is delicious. Vera heard me vlogging, talking about how good the bagel seasoning was. And she said she wanted some seed on hers. So she has some on hers. And this, in case you're unfamiliar, which I'm sure you're not, this is what the bottle looks like. I mean,
put some seeds on.
You want me to put some on the plate? Okay. Seriously though, if you haven't tried it, try it. Hold on, baby. And Sam's apparently has a dupe, and my mother-in-law bought it, and it's not as good. But if you can't get to Trader Joe's, it's worth trying. Oh goodness, she's dipping it in there. Okay, so that is a little clip of what I do when I use that Revlon blow drying brush. I absolutely love it. I cannot be without it. Because you can see it gives me like a lot of body. My hair, I mean my hair is straight, but you know, it can get some waves. So it gives me body, it gives, you know, smooths it out, it's shiny. I love it. It was on sale Black Friday for half off. My camera's tilted down. I'm a little short. If you did not pick it up, then you totally missed out. And what were you thinking? But it is definitely a must-have for me. Somebody that's, you know, really low maintenance with their hair. Now, I let it dry a good bit before I do it. So, I don't start from like soaking wet hair. But, you know, and I do have pretty soft, pretty straight hair. I don't have really curly hair, so I can't say if you have that kind of texture how it would work for you, but it works great for me. So I do that about once a week, and then it gives me a good hair day one day and pretty much the next day, but by then I get kind of sick of my hair being down and I pull it up because I just don't like my hair on my face. So maybe like tomorrow I'll wear it half up, and then I'll do another ponytail, and then probably by that time I end up just washing my hair and letting it air dry another time throughout the week. So that's I guess you could say like my hair schedule. I don't know. I'm not somebody that likes to really be bothered with fussing with my hair much. That's just me. If I had to choose, it's makeup over hair, because I don't mind a ponytail. I like ponytails. I think they're cute. I think they're youthful. When I see people in ponytails, I think it's cute. So that's how I use it. Okay, I'm driving in my neighborhood. Don't worry, it's not you know, road rage out here, or not road rage, you know, like Indy 500. Are y'all still waiting on some Black Friday packages? I am. I understand they were really swamped in the post office, and UPS is swamped. My stuff that's coming through the post office, it's not even being updated and tracking. There's no like delivery date, there's no tracking. It just shows it arrived at a shipping facility or a partner or something like that, and that's it. I'm no complaints. I'm just anxious to get my stuff, and it's kind of making me scared about ordering anything else. I am done with the 2 of the kids. I'm done with the girls. Still working on Isaac. He is the hardest person to shop for. If you have any 11-year-old boy suggestions, let me know. I need to shop for my mother-in-law. My husband's shopping for my father-in-law. I'm not touching that one. And me and my husband don't really do gifts for each other because, you know, we just don't. But I mean, I have him like one little happy. I know he's not going to watch this, but I don't want to say it in case. So I may get like one other little thing. That way he just feels like he has something. Because he usually gets me something. Which I always say don't, but he does. Vera. Vera. Vera, can you say hey? She's mad because I'm at a stop sign. Somebody's coming up. I'm just going to have to tell them to go ahead. Yeah, their little car TVs broke on our trip to Gatlinburg. So she's without a TV and she's not very happy. Spoiled rotten kids these days. So we are Vera. 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 I can't see you. Where'd you go? 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 That's my house and that's my car. That's my dog in my backyard. There's the window to her room when she lays her pretty head under a tree out by the fence. Y'all, I love classic country. I love it. Okay, this is my little stocking hanger thing. So that is my Walmart garland and that little snowman picture my older daughter painted in kindergarten, and she loves to put it out each year. So that's it. And then what I did was, let me get all my furniture. This idea I got from an Instagrammer. I will leave her down below. I absolutely love her. You would really enjoy her. So it's a pack of 2 of these, the ones on the other side from Walmart. They're like 5 and some change. And then a little curtain rod. It's nothing fancy, so it was like 3 something. And then you put it on each, it's, you know, the 2-pack of the stocking hangers. So you can extend it. This is the longer curtain rod, but it's as short as it goes. And so you just loop your stockings on it. So you can put as many as you want. You have no limit of growing your family or whatever. And I kind of feel like I want to make it wider. But then I like the rod not extended because it's more like, it looks just shorter. I don't know. What do y'all think? But the whole thing, the curtain rod was like $3 and some change. The stocking holder, the set of 2, was $5 and some change. So totally affordable, doable little Christmas stocking holder thing, because I feel like you can get a little expensive with the stocking holders when you're buying one for everybody. So that's my little thing, and I thought I would share. I did get, okay, credit where credit is due. The stocking holders I found out from the Instagram are all linked. And then the curtain rod hook, oh no, not hook. The curtain rod trick I found out somewhere, yes, last year. I don't even remember. So I just kind of incorporated the two. And the Walmart hangers, they come in that kind of look. Shiny silver, a bronze, and a shiny gold. But I really liked those because I felt, I don't know, it was just my favorite of them. So, okay guys, the mail just ran and I got a few of my Black Friday things in. So, I don't think I'm going to do a Black Friday haul because by the time I do it and get everything in, I feel like it's just not going to be relevant. But I did get, hold on. I ordered from American Eagle a pair of leggings that are freaking fantastic and 3 sweaters. The same sweater, 3 different colors, because originally, like, I kept wanting different shades and they were out of stock, so I'd order one. I don't know if I'm going to keep them all, but I got the last one in and it's mustard. The lighting in here is terrible. But what I want to talk to y'all about. So Lisa SC09 always talks about this brand called Clean Spa with a K. These body oils, and you know, she just talks about them. When somebody is so adamant about something, you figure it has to be really good. Well, they were doing a 25% off, and she mentioned this scent, Sugared Plum Blossom. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to try it because that sweet plum pastry from Scentsy scent is divine. Y'all, I don't want to say it's 100% dupe, but it's about 99% dupe. I had to message my friend Alexis because she's the one that got me on the scent. She loves it. Y'all are seeing like my lights and everything because I just got done filming my empties and I opened the mail, but I had to tell you about this. I also ordered a small thing of the ginger tea because that's their like supposed bestseller, so I had to try it. Now I haven't rubbed this all over my body yet, but I'm really hoping they're going to do another sale before the end of the year. I'm tempted to message them on Instagram and ask because it's seasonal. They sent me a thing. It says winter fragrances are going to be available till February 28th. It smells amazing. And they also sent me a sample of Peppermint Dream in the bar. So I think it's like a massage lotion bar. It smells divine too. So far, I'm really impressed with this brand. I haven't tried the oil yet, but I just had to tell you all about it in case you are a sweet plum pastry lover like I think everybody that uses Scentsy loves it. That's about all I have to show you. One kid thing, but I don't want to show it yet. Maybe y'all will see it tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to do the tag that Lizzie tagged me in on her channel. I will link her channel down below. She's doing Vlogmas. Okay, there are 10 questions. I'm going to try to be quick with it because I feel like I already have a lot of content for today. 1, what is your favorite holiday movie? Okay, hands down, like my absolute favorite holiday movie is Home Alone, but also The Holiday. I need to watch both of them this year. I love them. 2, what are your favorite Christmas colors? Well, I mean, red and green, obviously, but I love when there is white and glittery, like silver or gold glitter. So I want to, you know, add a little bit of glitz and jazz it up. 3, do you like to stay in your PJs or dress up for Christmas? PJs. We will wake up Christmas morning and stay in our PJs, and I like to get, you know, like some cuter Christmas PJs to wear and stay in those Christmas morning through brunchish time, and then usually get dressed, I don't want to say fancy, but a little more dressed up for Christmas evening, and we'll go to my husband's extended side of his family for Christmas night. I'm propping my hand up, my elbow up. Okay, 4, if you could only buy one person a present this year, who would it be? My dad. This is going to be my second Christmas without him. And I always complained about shopping for him because if he wanted something, he would just go buy it himself, you know? And so we would buy him like perishable goods. I'd get him like some good cheese or some a gift certificate to like Omaha Steaks or something like that. And I really miss shopping for him. I can't even remember what I bought him the last Christmas he was here, but probably like some handkerchiefs and a new pocket knife or something, because and he would always say, "This is great." He loved everything he got. But yeah, so him. Okay, number 5, do you open your presents Christmas Eve or Christmas morning? Me and my family have always done our presents from each other on Christmas Eve. And I really like it that way because you get some both times, or as a kid you did. So I do enjoy it that way. And then my in-laws, they come over right after Santa. And so we do presents from them on Christmas Day. So it's kind of like ours extend. And when I say my family, I mean like my side, not my husband's side. But me and my husband and the kids and my mom do ours Christmas Eve. Have you ever built a gingerbread house? Yes. My older daughter, she loves to do it. She's a sugar addict, sugar fiend. Like, she lives for sugar. So I'm trying to put off doing it because she would just want to like eat the icing and the freaking gumdrops. And 7, what do you like to do on your Christmas break? You know, I have all these like plans of always like, we're going to watch this movie and listen to this and do this. And I feel like it just ends up, we just hang out, maybe have the movie on, not necessarily all sit around and watch it. We do like to do a Christmas movie and drink hot chocolate. And we like to go look at Christmas lights. There's a place not far from us, and the family, he does like this crazy Christmas yard display. So we go look at that pretty often. So just really like have some good quality spending time together. 8, any Christmas wishes? I mean, besides like cliche things of like, oh, I hope everybody stays healthy and has a good Christmas, I can't think of anything specific I hope for this Christmas. No, I mean, just that my kids keep on enjoying Christmas and it stays magical for them as long as possible. 9, favorite Christmas smell. Well, you know me, and I love the baked goods scents all year round, but the Nest holiday candle is my absolute favorite Christmas smell. I bought a little votive that I'll use like right around Christmas, but it smells, you know, it's a little cinnamony, a little pine, a little bit of an orange. It's just such a good holiday scent. And 10, favorite Christmas meal or treat. My family, my side, we used to, for Christmas Eve, it would be kind of like an appetizer dinner. And then Christmas morning, we have kind of like a brunch style. So that's just kind of how I envision it. And then we end up kind of just snacking through the day. And then Christmas night, we go to my husband's extended side, and they have, you know, we have a really good, nice dinner. So that's just what I don't necessarily have like a favorite Christmas meal or treat, but when there was a period of time when I was like an older teen or in college, when, you know, it was just me and my parents, like not my husband, my mom went through a little phase where she would make strawberry crepes in the morning for breakfast, and those were really nice. We haven't done that in a really long time. So I just, you know, and then when I was young, she would always do divinity and fudge. She hasn't done that in many years, so I probably do miss that, but I guess that's the only thing I can say I really miss. So if you are doing Vlogmas, I tag you to do these one day in your vlog and have it so we can watch. And then let me ask you your question, and then I may wrap up this vlog only because I don't want it to be too long. I need to film my empties for November. Should I do that as like an upload one day on top of my Vlogmas, or should I make it be, say, like Vlogmas day 5 is just my empties? Let me know what y'all think, because I don't know, is it getting to where there's too much to watch? So I'm saying bye now, but if I feel like if I come back, then I'll edit out this bye and you won't see it again. So as of right now, thank you for watching.